the pants you don't necessarily only wear, thank you, love, with the butterfly top.
Right.
You could wear them with, you know, t-shirts and all kinds of tanks and fun things. So these are brand new, only order of the year. Again, if your size and color sells out, you gotta wait till 2026 and hope that we can bring those back in for you.
Yikes.
Regular inseam is 19, short is 17. You're looking at Kalani, who is a petite model. She's 5'2", and she wears the small for us. And these are double extra small through 5X. They're new. They come in white or black.
Do you know, are you wearing the short or the regular? Do you know? If you don't, you don't know? Okay. When Pat is going over it, I'll go off camera. You want me to go?
No,
talk?
no. I was going to say you talk, and I'll go with Kalani.
Okay. I like it. She's going to check. So these are our dream jeans. These are our dream jeans. 96% cotton, 4% spandex, knit French terry. That in this case that looks like more of a twill than a denim per se, but they were really created back in September of 2010, debuting on QVC to look like denim, but not feel like denim. They're soft, they're comfortable. Is she wearing the short?
Short.
Okay, great. So pull on style, functioning front pockets, our signature heart on the coin pocket, but what you, our wonderful Quackers, have been asking for, more details on the Dream Jeans. So if you want a little sparkle, you get the pants that Pat and I are wearing. If you want a little embroidery, you get this gorgeous Floribunda detail that matches back to the top. These are like garanimals for adults. So we're quack animals. I don't know how I can
200 already gone.
I'm sorry, I don't know how I can change that word to kind of get it. But if if you grew up in the time of the big box stores where you had that. So look at that detail here, and you get 3 of them, 2 on the one leg, 1 on the other, just easy peasy. And because we do short and not regular, you get to choose whether you want it to hit you at the 17-inch area, which is generally what we would call a pedal pusher or a clam digger, or a capri, which has 19-inch inseam. Because the rises are the same, your only measurement difference is that inseam. And this just
makes it so much easier.
It makes it a lot easier. And this is a lot of work on this detail here.
Have you ever seen butterflies in Costa Rica? Actually, some of them glow.
Wow, no, I've not seen that. I was in Costa Rica over 20 years ago on a cruise, so it was just a day trip, and we did a whitewater rafting thing, and I saw my first toucan.
Whitewater rafting?
Yeah. It was
and you saw a toucan in person?
A toucan in person.
Wow, that's cool.
In Costa Rica.
That's what's so fun. Follow her on social media, because you take us along on that trip. I felt like I was in Iceland with you. Oh my God, it was so fun. It was
so much fun.
Yeah.
Very different than Costa Rica. And we were not wearing capris, I can tell you that. But it was a beautiful country. I'm so glad we went. And, from the East Coast, it's just like a 6-hour flight.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
No,
and
it's not
bad. People are
bad.
very, very kind, and it's very beautiful.
And clean.
But they have some of the most amazing flowers and greens there. They almost look fake, or like they're from outer space or something. They're just. But in the when you go into the forest, many times you can see these amazing, almost neon-like butterflies. That's how elaborate and intricate, maybe is the better word, that these are.
Yeah, I mean, nature is a miracle. It is so amazing, and I don't know if you're a new watcher. I, for the last few years, have volunteered at a local community-supported agricultural farm, not far from where we live. And one of the things that I love about being there in the summer is we see all of the birds, and we get purple martins that come to our farm every year.
Wow.
They leave when it gets cold, and then they come back.
Smart.
And we get lots of butterflies, we get lots of bees and dragonflies, and it's just really fun to see. And we do grow flowers. You can pick if you're a member, you can come and pick a bouquet of flowers when you pick up your vegetables for the week. And so I love walking through the flower patch and seeing the butterflies and the different birds and the different bees here and there. And it just, to me, it makes me be like a kid again.
Yes.
Where I'm just in awe.
Where you had no worries, where the days were long, where you had nothing to do, where you laid down in the grass and you were like, I'm so bored. Sometimes I think to myself, to be bored again.
Yeah.
I don't want to be born again.
No,
but you know that feeling when you're a kid and you're like, what else? I already went swimming. What else am I going to do? But you're right. Something like this just gives you that feeling. Plus, if you work with kids, if you work with, someone in memory support or long-term care, or you're taking care, you're that caregiver.
Yeah.
This puts a smile on people's
100%.
on their faces. I have told you that many times.
Yes.
When my mom was alive, she was we would buy her Quacker things all the time. She loved the attention that people would always say, oh, because my mom was little. They would always say, Cheryl, you look so cute. And she did. She looked adorable, and it made other people happy, and it made her happy.
Absolutely.
So maybe that's where you go for yourself today. Use your Q card if you have it. You got 5 easy pays. Put an outfit or 2 together for you. That way, the minute it gets warm enough, or if you're lucky enough to go on vacation, you're making yourself happy and everybody else.
Absolutely. Yes. Agreed. And that's what we need. Jean loved talking about, spreading the Quacker love and the Quacker joy. And I continue to talk about that as well, because I just interviewed Josh and Brett from the Beekman 1802.
Oh, did you? They are such nice people.
They're so nice. And we had a whole conversation about kindness.
In your car, did you do it?
And in my car. I call it Exploring My Explorer. It's available on my YouTube channel. If you need help, just write me on social media. I'll direct you to it. But we were talking about how like people, even with all the social media, that we tend to be a little on the lonelier side. And so by wearing something fun and happy, you could bring joy to somebody just walking by them in the supermarket. And so why not?
Exactly. Here's the black. In regular inseam, 450. In short, 300 remain. In the white, 450 in the regular inseam. In the short, 250. They're going quickly. They are brand new, only order of the year, just in case you're like, I don't remember what I have. You don't have these. These are brand new. Regular inseams, 19, short is 17 inches. Enjoy, those are really pretty. All right. Everything is on sale. Because it's National Quacker Day. It's February 4th, National Quacker Day. Everything is on sale. So everything online and also on QVC.com. Oh, I so love this shirt.
This may bring back some memories of some designs.